This is Angel CH. I'm with my friend Kelly, but her name is
Fire Queen Unicorn.
Queen Fire Unicorn, and on YouTube. She's new, so we're gonna do not laugh challenge. You're gonna have to go there. We're gonna have to be in front, kind of in front of each other. You ready?
Yeah. Wait, I can't see.
Wait, let's go. This is bent. That's why.
Hold on, I gotta be up here so I'm in front of the camera.
All right, I guess we'll do it that way. Okay, you ready? You want to do it again?
It came out of my nose.
You want to do it again?
Heck yeah.
Okay. Did I get you wet?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Okay, let's play. Wait,
Okay,
you ready? I did it again. I got it on my nose. Okay, 3 times the charm. Okay, I totally failed. I can't help it. This is the last time I'm doing this. I got all over my face.
Yeah, I don't know how to lock the gate, so.
Okay, this one's the last. I failed.
I know too.
I like the drinking and then it went everywhere. Okay, let's not think about it. I can't get it.
I still had mine in.
You drank yours. I don't count. All right, this is the 5th round. Okay.
Wait. I can't do that.
Is your water all gone?
No, yours?
Oh my god, no. You want to do the last one? I spit this time. You spit it this time. And then I spit it. Okay. I can't help it.
You got me wet, girl. It's okay.
We can change.
Yeah, we can change.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so wet. Look. I got barely anything.
Like you went a little bit.
All right. You done?
Yeah, I'm done. You done?
No. Okay, last one. Okay, now we're done.
We're done.
That was a new laugh challenge. We failed. We couldn't help but laugh at each other. Our faces are wet. It hits in our glass. It's on yours too. I got her wet. And I was trying not to laugh, and then it went like drop. So I feel bad for my cat. He probably got wet. But anyways, we're done. This Angel Stage Queen Fire Unicorn. I came up with the name. It's awesome. Angel Stage created the name. So love you guys. Bye. And please like the video. Say it was hilarious. Bye.